Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this really easy and simple freehand nail design. So I'm going to use this pretty iridescent polish by Oily called Beautifully Bizarre and my black nail striper by LA Colors. So I already painted my nails with this pretty iridescent polish. I just love it. And using my black nail striper, I'm going to draw two wavy lines. But you can use a nail brush with either acrylic paint or nail polish. But I just love using my nail stripers. And this is a really easy and simple design that you can do with any colors you want. Now using my nail dotter, I'm going to add dots. I'm going to go crazy with the dots. You don't have to add as many dots as I did, but I wanted to fill in my whole nail and not leave it so blank. So I kind of did go a little overboard with the dots, but I love dots, so it's okay. And I love this look because once I was done with it, it kind of gave it a nail stamp look to it, a vibe to it, and I like that. But like I said, you don't have to add as much dots. This is a really simple and easy design that you can do with any colors you want. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video really easy for you to recreate if you want. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.